Everyone and welcome to DFCCL preparation strategy for executive post. So this video is regarding for all branches, those who applied for executive, okay, whether civil, mechanical, electronics and electrical. So in this we will discuss everything for executive post, how you can crack this exam, okay, and what you should do and what you should not. So without wasting time, let's start our video. And those who didn't fill the form date, last date is 23rd of May, okay, you can fill it. Okay, so first very important thing is that what is your pattern, right? What is your exam pattern and what are the things are there? So see, very simple pattern for executive, that total 96 technical questions will be there for your branches and 24 non-technical questions will be there, okay? To solve this, you will get 2 hours. And for each question, +1 marks are there and negative marking of 0.25 is there, okay? So this is the basic pattern. Now see, about your question level. So question level will be basic as always. Theoretical question will be there because this is diploma level, okay? So theoretical questions will be more, and I can say numerical also they can ask you, okay? So prepare like that, but not very much. 20%, okay, 20% weightage for numericals and 80% weightage for this your theoretical, okay? So like this only you can prepare. And for civil, mechanical and your third branch electrical, okay, pattern of questions will be same as SSC JEE. So for question practice you can refer SSC JEE previous year papers, okay, for question practice. That will be good, there is nothing. And for electronics, don't worry, okay, I will tell you everything, don't worry. So SSC JEE pattern for civil, mechanical and electrical, okay. About non-technical I will discuss in the last because this is common part for all. The next thing, okay, about books and about notes. So you can refer any notes, okay, any notes which cover theory also. Books I will not recommend you because the time is very less, but notes definitely you can refer. You will get SSC JEE notes, okay, then you can refer that. Also if you have your diploma books, then this is best, okay, this is best. If you and your friend, if any friend having diploma books, then just take Xerox copy and just read all the things, because in diploma books you will get all the theory in detail, okay. That's why this is best for you. Now the next thing, that expected exam date, okay. So expected exam date, tentatively your exam is scheduled in June month, so we will target June 3rd week. So we will assume that they will take your exam in June 3rd week, okay. So approximately 50 days we have in our hand, 50 days we have in our hand, okay. So you have to manage this time very properly. Daily you have to do your best, okay. And in unnecessary things, if you are wasting your time, then definitely you should stop that, okay. Now branch wise I will tell you the syllabus branch wise. So let's start with civil branch. So for civil, this is the topics, okay, which you have in your DFCCL. So you can see total 11 topics are there. You can also take the screenshot if you want. The next is electrical. For electrical there is a little changes there, okay. You can see the syllabus: circuit analysis, your machines, electronics, measurement, control system, material system, okay, and rest. It is given rest. So here the extra subject like digital electronics, your analog circuits, okay, signals and systems, your what could be next subject? Power electronics, very important subject, and power systems also there, okay. So those subject which is common in your SSC JEE syllabus, you can refer that, okay, you can refer that. So in the rest, don't consider like this only you have to do, okay, this also you have to do, this also you have to do. So just make sure you will do these things, okay. So this is for electrical, okay. Next is for, I will come back to SNT afterwards. Next is for mechanical. So this is the all the subject you have for mechanical. Mechanics, SOM is there, TOM is there, design, fluid mechanics, thermodynamics, okay, material is there, machinery and inspection, okay. Now about SNT post, where electronics guys can apply, okay. So engineering mathematics you have. So for other branches they didn't give engineering mathematics, but for you, yes, you have to do engineering mathematics. Network, signal system, electronic devices, analog circuit, data circuits, control system, communication, electromagnetics, okay. So all these subject, if you have diploma books, then you can refer the theory part. And for numerical I will tell you, because our course will be there, okay, for you, that is practice set for DFCCL. So about that I will announce it later. Till then just join our channel, Apna Government Job Telegram channel, on which I will apply, okay. The course language is now doubtful, but still I will try to make it in English also, okay, for English viewers. So don't worry at all, and just follow the resources what I am telling to you, okay. And our test series will be also there. So for exam level question practice, you don't need to worry, our test series will be there, okay. So don't worry about that. So this is all about your technical syllabus. Now let's come to very important, that is your non-technical syllabus. And in non-technical also we will discuss about your general knowledge part. Okay, so total 12 questions will be there. Total 12 questions will be there, and very important 12 marks. Okay, because this will rotate your position in the merit list. Okay, so that's why it is very important. Now see, in the less time we have to handle all these things. Now technical syllabus also there, which is huge, right? Which huge syllabus is there. So I will tell you how you can do this, okay, effectively, and how I can help you in this. So syllabus will be history, geography, polity, economics, physics, chemistry, biology, current affairs will be there, and static GK part is there. Okay, in that railway part also you have to do. Railway GK also you should know, okay, because they may ask you the question regarding railway GK also, specific to railway GK. Okay, now how to complete this syllabus? See, so those who want to read from book, they can refer Lucent book. Okay, they can refer Lucent book, but the smart way is that in our crash course, whatever the questions I am taking of general knowledge and science, okay, do them perfectly. Do them perfectly. Definitely you will get something from that. Okay, so that's why just follow this rigorously. You no need to spend more time to read all these things, because it will take 2 months if you start reading. Okay, very huge syllabus is there for this also, and for 12 marks we can't give maximum thing, because 96 technical questions are there, right? So that's why just follow our class also. Okay, also just follow class Qbox. I will tell you about this later when I will make announcement of test series. And daily MCQ PDF I am giving on Telegram. Daily 20 questions you are getting of general studies and general awareness. So just follow that. Okay, daily read this, very important. For next 50 days if you read, then 1000 cover questions you will cover. Okay, and from 1st April, in the file section, from the 1st April you can get all the PDF of daily MCQ PDF. Okay, that I am giving. So just follow that compulsory. Now the very important thing about current affairs, how you should do current affairs. So you have to do current affairs from July 2020 to June 21. Okay, when they will announce exact official exam date, I will tell you the date, till what date you should read. Okay, but for now June our target is this. So you have to start from July month. On website you will get the current affairs in Hindi also, English also. Okay, so just start reading from website only, and just follow this. Okay, for 12 marks. The next subject which you have to do is your logical reasoning dimension. Okay, so in logical reasoning, the basic topic, that is blood relation is there, syllogisms is there. Okay, DI I want that you should do, because there is chances. Okay, we don't know, but there is chances they may ask you the DI also, but this is the optional. In the last, if you have time, then do DI. Okay, before that, blood relation, direction test. Okay, then sitting arrangements is also there, coding, decoding, number series in also missing and wrong number series. So these things are there. Okay, and other things which are comes under logical reasoning you have to do. Now which books you should refer for this? So R.S. Agrawal, verbal and non-verbal, this you can read. Okay, so verbal section you can do from here, all the topics which is mentioned in index you can do. Also follow our course, okay, which I will announce later. And daily MCQ, daily 10 questions also you are getting on our Telegram channel. So just follow that. Definitely this 10 question practice will boost your confidence, okay, in that. And for exam level practice, our test series will be there, so don't worry at all about test series. Okay, so this was all about your executive post. Okay, technical and non-technical section. See, our target will be from this 96, at least you should score 85. Okay, because if you are targeting 80-90 marks, then don't fill the form, because if your target is merit list only, okay, and that also number of rank, then only just prepare hard for it. Okay, only 50 days we have, and ideally you can score 85 above easily out of 96. And in logical reasoning, I want that you should score 12 out of 12. Okay, here I don't want any marks you should lose, because it is very crucial for us. And for GK, obviously this 12 marks is not in our hand, but all the things we are doing. Okay, so definitely I am expecting 8 marks at least you will get from here. Okay, so if you just add this, so 105 you can score easily. 105 marks you can score easily if you do this, if you follow this strategy, if you follow the resources of Apna Gaurav channel. Okay, whatever I am giving you, whether it is course, whether it is your website, all the things are there. Just you have to follow daily. Okay, daily you have to work, daily you have to study without distraction. So that's why focus is very important. Don't indulge into unnecessary activities. Okay, prefer your smart study, daily effort you have to do, right? And smart study means do not waste more time in the other section, because you have to strong your technical. Okay, just save time of general awareness by following course, give to technical. Okay, reasoning time also you can save, give to technical, and make it more strong. And just target 90 above also, why not? 90 above also we can do. Okay, but smart study is very important in this less time. Okay, and our tests will be there, so no need to worry about that. And yes, very important, as you know, less time means effort will be double. So get ready to work very hard if you are target DFCCL. And one more doubt every student have, that those who are preparing for other exams like SSCGL also, HAL, HPCL. Okay, so I will recommend you just focus on one exam. Okay, just focus on one exam, otherwise you can't it is not possible to crack this, that also, and this also. Okay, so we'll recommend you only that, because focus is needed. Okay, and pattern is different, obviously pattern is different. So that's why if you are preparing very hard for DFCCL only, you have to be employee of government of India railways. Okay, so that's focus on this. It's up to you only whether you want to give. Okay, don't select based on vacancies, no. HAL is obviously PSU, HPCL also very good PSU. Okay, although vacancies are less in that, but if you are confident, if you want pure technical job in that, then definitely you can select this. Okay, and otherwise DFCCL is there for you if you are this. Okay, so just follow all the things. Okay, and soon I will make the announcement. So till then, just start your preparation. All the things already have on our Telegram, on our website. So just start with that. Just gather the resources, gather the SSCJ previous year paper, whatever I am telling you. Okay, told you. Just follow that. Okay, and definitely you will make it, and we will make it for sure. All the best.